Hello everyone, here's your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, November 7th, and no reason to belabor the fact that this pattern is really not going anywhere until possibly the end of the weekend, and that's still nothing that has any really high confidence assigned to it at this point. On the satellite, you'll notice we continue with the ridge over along the coast. We're in northwest flow. Plenty of moisture, cloud cover, even multiple storms out in the Pacific Ocean. Those aren't headed our way, at least for right now. Take a look at how things are going to progress. This is kind of looking at the general temperature pattern over the next several days, and you'll see the ridge. We've got the warmer temperatures along the coast, the colder air coming out of Canada and Alaska into the central and eastern parts of the country, and you'll notice the general warming trend as we head into the end of the week into Saturday. But then you'll notice up to the north, you can see that the pattern is starting to shift, and you can see a pretty good chunk of cold air being dislodged from Alaska and eastern Canada. But that's going to stay east of the divide. That's headed into the plains, into the upper Midwest as well. We're going to cool down just a bit as we head into next week, and then that's also when we might see that chance of precipitation. Like I said, it's not a big one with any type of confidence at this point. Looking more specifically at temperatures for us, going to keep the lows out of the picture for this morning simply because it's dry. Temperatures at or below freezing each and every morning across the area. Temperatures a little bit cooler than yesterday as the last little bit of cooler air with this little push back to the west of the pattern arrives. Temperatures in the upper plain in the 40s to near 50. Once you get down towards Burley, the Magic Valley, we're well into the 50s, 40s up in the high country. Look at those temperatures rebounding tomorrow, some low 60s, even a little bit warmer, 2 to 3 degrees warmer on Saturday. And there's that temperature drop back. You can see there cold air really in areas east of the divide. Like I said, we're going to see some spillover, but we're not going to see temperatures dropping too much. Probably for the lowest elevations, temperatures trying to struggle to get above 50 degrees for the early and middle part of next week. Now, that precipitation forecast, again, we're looking at kind of the general pattern. We're looking at that ensemble forecast, nothing that says definitely yes or no, if in terms of where we might see precipitation by the time we get to Sunday. It looks like at least there's a little more confidence, still not high confidence, for Sunday. A little bit of shower activity up around Island Park, Yellowstone, also up towards Lost Trail Pass and Salmon as well. That little wave moves away. Now, once we get towards Monday, we're a little bit drier, but Tuesday, this is where the confidence really drops. By the time we get to Tuesday afternoon and evening into Wednesday, I'd say any real potential for a shower will be over the Central Mountains, Stanley, Chalice, up towards Salmon, also West Yellowstone, Island Park, down towards Driggs, the Big Holes, and Palisades Reservoir as well. Elsewhere, that confidence is really, really low, but at this point, it's not exactly saying, we can't say it's not going to happen. It's just a very, very low chance. But again, things are not looking too wet, even if this does come to fruition for next week. Otherwise, once again, stay safe out there. Temperatures are going to be at or above normal for the next several days. Take care.